I follow anime news a lot. That's what I do. So Studio Mappa Studios, did they are taking over they took over animation for the final season of Attack on Titan. Did you know that? Well, I'm here to tell you that they did. Plus, plus they just they just announced a title for that's gonna be getting animated called Chainsaw Man. Called Chainsaw Man. Like, okay then. Alright, let me be serious for a while. This is a manga about a guy who has chainsaws for arms. I mean, sure, why not? But what? Okay, I, I'm interested in watching this title because I read manga and manga and motas and all those, but I never read this one. So can anyone has anyone read it at all? Is it good? Tell me. All right, goodbye. Now peace out.